I've been exploring the Spendee Budget Mobile App for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Spendee is a personal finance app that helps you track spending, plan budgets, and see all your money in one place, aimed at people who want a simple way to understand where their money goes without using complicated spreadsheets. It's designed for everyday users rather than finance professionals, with an emphasis on clear visuals and easy data entry that fits into daily life. At its core, the app lets you create wallets to represent different accounts or purposes, such as everyday spending, savings, or a specific trip, so you can see how much you have and what you're using it for. You can log expenses and income manually, and the app automatically categorizes them and turns them into charts and graphs that show what you spend most on, which can be especially helpful if you're trying to cut back on certain habits like frequent dining out or impulsive online shopping. You can also set budgets for particular categories or time periods and receive notifications as you get close to your limits, which makes it easier to stay on track over a week or a month without having to constantly check the numbers yourself. For people who prefer automation, Spendee offers the option to connect bank accounts, e-wallets like PayPal, or even crypto wallets such as Coinbase, so that transactions flow in and are organized for you, reducing the effort needed to keep your records up to date. However, it's not without flaws. While the overall rating is high at 4.6 out of 5, with the majority of reviews being 5-star, more critical reviews point to specific pain points that matter in everyday use. One recurring concern relates to shared wallets. Some users report difficulty getting shared wallets to work smoothly across accounts, even after trying common troubleshooting steps like reinstalling or recreating accounts, which can be frustrating if you specifically want the app for family budgeting. In at least one recent case, the developer clarified that shared wallets are only available on Plus or Premium plans, which may not be obvious to everyone at first and can lead to disappointment if you were expecting full sharing on the free version. This highlights another limitation. Some of the most attractive features, such as bank connections and fully shared wallets, sit behind paid tiers, including subscription plans and a lifetime premium purchase. So the free version is more limited if you need advanced automation. Overall, Spendee is a solid choice if you value a visually clear, user-friendly way to track everyday spending and set simple budgets, especially if you like seeing all your accounts, digital wallets, and even crypto in one place. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.